How have yours? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a group in Photoshop. So this is our design, and we are starting how to make a group. So first of all, you come to your layer parts, and then you show your mouse here. And this is where you're going to find a group. So you just click there and then see a group here, group 1. However, we're going to name this group. We're going to name it. Naming it, you just double click it. And then we say we're going to take the word go use take and then a rectangle. So go use take. So under go use take, you see there's nothing at the moment. So what we're going to do, we're going to hold this word. You first highlight it, then you just hold and drag to the group. And then we also have this rectangle where this word is standing. This rectangle here, we also drag it to go use take. Yeah, so when you see very well, shall be having a rectangle and then the word go use take. Yeah, so that is group 1. We go to group 2. Group 2, we are going to get these icons, the Facebook icon, email icon, LinkedIn icon, WhatsApp, YouTube icon, and then the Twitter icons. So still we're going to go to this part and then we click here, we get group 1. We can name it to media icons. So in media icons, we are going to get the YouTube icon. It's here. We drag it to media icon. Then we go to email. We highlight it to media icon. We go to Facebook. You kindly highlight it and then drag and hold your mouse to media icon. Then we have LinkedIn. We take it to media icon. We have Twitter. We drag it also to media icon. Each other. Yeah, they're done. So you will see that under media icon, we have Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, email, and YouTube. If you want to close that, you just come and click here. You have closed there. Yeah, so another thing, we are going to also create a group of, the URL of Facebook, email, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so many others. So these words, we're going to make them, to put them under one group. So we create another group still. Then we say, we rename it to social media links. So on social media links, we are going to drag and hold and drag. We're going to hold and drag. This is LinkedIn, social media links. We drag it social media links. We have our email here. We drag it to social media links. We have our Facebook link. Still drag it. We have our Twitter link. Drag it. We have YouTube link. Drag it to social media links. After that, you will close it. So you're seeing the words are being minimized. You can also maybe create another group. It's a group of the Eclipse. Eclipse, we first name our group, maybe others. So in others, we are going to include our Eclipse. Eclipse is this circle we are seeing here. Yeah, so we are going to drag Eclipse there. We also drag our download, which is our logo, into others. And then what else? Okay, we can leave at that. We can leave at that. Okay, that is others. And then we have these two words, thanks for watching, and then maybe subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more. We can also create another group, maybe group of words. We are going to drag our subscribe for more to group for words, and also thanks for watching to group in words, and then we close our group. So I think you can see once you open one group like this, go use Deck to be having those. And then social media icons, once you click on it, to also bring you this. Once you click on social media links, you will be seeing them in one group. When you click on others, you'll be seeing them. Once you click on group of words, you'll also be seeing them. So you've seen the importance of using groups in Photoshop. It can help you not to get disorganized. You can be organized once you use groups. So thanks for watching. Please continue watching our videos. We're really doing good. Thanks. Try to share, try to comment in case you don't understand anything, and subscribe. Continue subscribing to our channel. Thanks so much, and may God bless you.